friends. Welcome to English&Flow.
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Sarah. Today's topic is in the house.
Let's start with rooms. Repeat. Kitchen. Bedroom. Bathroom. Living room. Balcony.
Now objects. Table. Chair. Bed. Sofa. TV.
Let's use them in sentences. I am in the kitchen. I am in the bedroom. I watch TV in the living room. I sleep in the bed.
Good. What do you do in the kitchen, David?
I cook food.
I clean the table.
What do you do in the bedroom?
I sleep and read books. Now let's describe. The kitchen is big. The living room is comfortable. The bedroom is quiet.
Excellent. Let's review. Kitchen. Bedroom. Bathroom. Table. Chair. Sofa. TV.
You did amazing today. Keep practicing every day.